We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. We use a suction cup to lift the back cover. We introduce a metal opening tool. We use a plastic card to cut the adhesive. We remove the back cover. We remove the plastic protector. Now we lose the connector of the fingerprint sensor scanner Touch ID. We release the screws from the top of the device. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. Very carefully, we are going to remove the middle frame. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. We disconnect the two coaxial antennas. With the help of the spudger, we remove the sub-motherboard. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process.